Experiencing 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi problems on your Rogers Xfinity router? You're not alone. This band, crucial for older devices and IoT, often suffers from interference and congestion. The main issue is that many devices overcrowd this band and can interfere with the connection. As of 2025, Xfinity has been rolling out firmware updates, including better interference handling and WPA3 security enhancements, that may have fixed the issue. Rogers, as a separate entity, has also integrated similar Comcast-derived technology in Canada via partnerships, but issues persist due to regional spectrum regulations. To resolve this, the first step is identifying if the problem stems from overcrowding, channel interference, or incompatibility with older devices. This section outlines how to diagnose these common issues. Here's how to fix your 2.4 GHz issues. First, split your Wi-Fi bands. Create separate SSIDs for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz in your router settings to direct devices to the optimal band. Next, address channel interference using a Wi-Fi analyzer app to find the least congested channel. Channels 1, 6, or 11 are best. Manually set your router to use this channel. Finally, enable legacy mode or mixed mode in your router settings to support older devices using 802.11bg and WPA2. If problems persist, restart your router, update its firmware via the Xfinity app, and check for any hardware faults. These steps should significantly improve your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi performance.